Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, OpenAI has introduced GPT-OSS. This video is under only 2 minutes for a quick download and testing the model. They released GPT-OSS-20b and GPT-OSS-20b, two state-of-the-art open-weight language models that deliver strong real-world performance at low cost. These models are available under the flexible Apache 2.0 license. Now you go to Ollama.com. So what is this Ollama? Ollama is a locally deployed AI model runner designed to allow users to download and execute large language models directly on their personal computers. It supports Mac and Windows. So yes, after downloading it from the Ollama.com, you should install the software. After that, you should choose the model GPT-OSS-20b. Type any text. After that, the model will start to download automatically. Once it is downloaded, you can now try the GPT-OSS-20b. So depending on your computer's hardware, it may run quickly or slowly. For my laptop, it took nearly a minute, and after that, thinking for 11.3 seconds. And finally I got the response. I hope you have a powerful GPU or RAM. If you think this video is useful for you, please do like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe, so it will motivate me to do more contents. Thank you friends.